Cisco wireless access points can use third-party credentials from social media to authenticate network users. We'll talk about how to set up third-party social media authentication on this edition of Tech Talks, next. In order to set up guest access to our WAP, we'll first need to log in. Once we've logged in, we'll navigate to Guest Access under Access Control in the menu on the left-hand side. On this page, we'll add an instance by clicking the blue plus icon under Guest Access Instance Table and giving it the name Facebook. Then, we'll select Third-Party Credentials from the Authentication Method drop-down menu. Clicking on the eye icon next to the drop-down menu will allow you to choose which credentials will be accepted. In our case, we'll choose Facebook. Click OK, then click Save. Now, we'll go to the Wireless tab in the menu and choose Networks. On this page, we can add a virtual access point, or SSID, by clicking the blue plus icon in the upper left corner. Once again, we'll name it Facebook, and we'll select Facebook from the Guest Access Instance drop-down menu. Then, we'll save our settings. And just like that, our Cisco wireless access point can authenticate users using their social media credentials. Thanks for watching Tech Talks from Cisco. We'll see you next time.